Remove the cover. Cut off the old glue. Make 4 scrap pages. Put 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Write the title on the front page. Use a large binder clip to hold the text block together. Lightly sand the text block. Weaken several binder clips to pinch the text block together for gluing. Put blue tape on the inside of the clip. Shake the PVA glue and put some on a paper plate. Rub a light first coat onto the text block, making sure none seeps down into the book. Place the text block between 2 books with a 10-pound weight on top. Let dry 20 minutes. Lightly sand the old glue off the cover. Refold the cover's creases with a bone folder. Rub glue into the cover's binder. Put a thick second layer of glue onto the text block. Join the text block with the cover. Line up the back first, then fold the cover over to the front. Pull out the scrap pages. Put the book between 2 hardcover books and place a 10-pound weight on top. Let dry 24 hours. And that's it. PVA glue makes books very flexible. Okay, goodbye.